I was put on the shelf in '86. I've I've seen quite a bit. I mean 1886, by the way. Yeah, well, I've grown quite content just sitting right here. Me and those boxes come and go, and I tell these young boxes what to expect, and they don't quite understand me as much, and with their LOLs and UPCs and SKUs and EDIs, but here I am, and it's not a bad life. Today we're going to talk about OSMI, or Old Slow Moving Inventory, which is a ridiculous acronym to come up with in the first place, but here we are. So everyone has something that's probably been sitting on their warehouse shelves for too long, and kind of the process of figuring out what to do with it is starting with just that. What is that thing? Is it something that was left over from a large vendor purchase? Is it a line that you no longer sell? Is it your coworker's lunch that just started to take over the fridge and now has a sentient conscience and is slowly moving through the warehouse? Now you can figure out, is this thing valuable? Is it an item perhaps that is rather seasonal, where you maybe don't sell these very often, but when you do, it's a big ticket item, or you know that you always need at least one or two on hand? Is this item going to be useful at a later date? And probably even be asking, is this item costing me anything to sit on the shelf? So for the future, how can you prevent some of this old inventory from accruing and sitting on your shelves? Because remember, whatever is sitting on your shelves for too long is probably not making you money. Well, you can make better use of reporting to see what's coming in sales, what's just sitting there, so you can make proper adjustments. You can, hopefully if you have the right software, you're using seasonal reporting to expect what should be coming in so that you can plan accordingly in your purchases. But you can also see what is coming down the line so that you're not having too much sitting on your shelf, and you're not just purchasing in large bulk orders for no reason. You're buying just the amount you need to match what is coming down the line. So for the future, consider better tracking so that you don't just have old stuff sitting on your shelf. Unless maybe you have some kind of sentimental value to it and it's been there longer than you and you're hoping to retire with it someday. I don't know, whatever you want. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.